Okay, 1, 2, 3, go genius. Okay, let's see what's genius in this video.
What is it?
He's Joker.
Look at me! I'm making the same face as the art. It's so ridiculous. Look at the two of you.
Where's the
You
art
think
and
you're
where's
so
the
great?
heck?
The painting came to life. I'll teach you to mock art.
Okay, vanished.
Whoa!
Okay.
How did we end up here?
Oh, those hairs look
So
good.
colorful. Who knew people in painting
Nice.
could do this? You know what? I love this. I look great. Wow,
I like
me
golden
too.
colors in my hair,
Awesome.
by the way.
Hey,
Blonde, you can
to
say.
me up here. Welcome to the art world. Time for
Okay.
the challenge.
Drawing
Your
challenge.
first drawing challenge.
What's the
That's
challenge?
exciting. Let's do this.
Again, drawing challenge. What's the
Your
challenge?
first drawing challenge. The
Me?
letter B. Oh yeah.
Is this video for kids?
Got this.
Then why I'm
Just
watching
wait to
this?
see what I can do. The letter B is going to blow their minds.
Blow my mind
What's
too.
Madison doing over there? She's drawing a bunch
Straight
of
lines. Just
Doesn't look
use
like a
scale.
big
Even
Time for me
kids
to
know
win this
that.
challenge.
Permanent marker on pens on straight paper.
Look, Madison, I drew
Permanent
a
marker is not for that.
That looks very nice. Ugh, it's so dusty in here. Achoo!
Okay.
My drawing! It's flying away on the sneeze! Where did it even go? And why isn't it
In
back
desert, rainforest.
yet? Ow,
Okay,
there
came
it
back.
is. Ew, it's so gross. And my artwork is totally ruined.
What's happening in this video, man?
Annie, what kind of artwork is that? It's gross. Let's just take a look at Madison's drawing.
Oh, nice. 3DB.
Oh, very nice.
Good one.
It's an A. Madison, show me how you did that.
How did that? Yes.
Start with a big line on the left, and then 8 small
Okay.
lines.
Now they are starting the
The
video.
last one should be angled.
Okay.
Add 3 more angled lines here. Time to connect these lines like
Just
this.
tell me,
On top of the
should I make this type of short videos?
Just add some shading with a pencil.
How we can make eyes and this type of things?
Rub it in.
As we all go for realistic videos.
It's starting to look really good.
Can I go for basics?
Easy, right?
Just comment down below. Again, funny painting, handmade.
It's your turn.
Who's that?
We're drawing hands, huh? Interesting.
Oh, nice. Alice.
I have an idea. Check that
What's
out.
that idea? Bulb is just okay. Bit cringe but funny.
What happened? Oh,
Nice animations.
just a little electric surge. Is that shadow my hand?
Okay. Shadow painting.
I just had the best
You can
idea
make
ever.
rabbits and any type of animals. What's happening?
That's better.
Nice. Okay.
And you have light, ladies and gents.
Light is back.
Let's do it. First,
What's it going to make? Okay, marking out the hands.
then turn your hand into an adorable little bird.
Okay, bird. It looks like a duck.
With a white chalk pen. Don't color the wing just yet. Okay, now you can.
Not preferable. She's not doing a good colors. You can see smaller parts. Okay, she got some ideas for that.
Anything? I just don't see it. Ha! That's the one.
Okay. She's Spider-Man, Lady Spider-Man. Okay.
Let's try this one.
What's that?
Trace your hand like this.
Okay, she's
And
tracing
turn it
it.
into a cute little doggy. Doesn't look like a hand anymore, right?
It doesn't look like a dog too. What? It doesn't look like a dog. But for beginners or kids less than 5 years old, that's okay.
Check these masterpieces out.
Not a masterpiece.
Those were your hands.
You did good makeup, but drawing.
Your duck is just fantastic. Truly
Okay, for kids, that's okay.
How do I choose a winner? They're both so wonderful.
Both are winners. Yeah, of course.
2 judges for 2 deserving winners.
What's the next
So
thing?
who won this round?
Awesome art ideas. Okay. She's just painting what she's painting. That guy is blind or what?
My bad.
Okay.
It's gonna take forever doing that.
What is going to do?
I'll get him up.
10-foot long road and he has to go
It's the
from
least I
that
can
way.
do.
What's
Let me
that?
see that. I'll take
Okay.
it from here, Adam. Cleaning supplies can make great art tools.
Don't just waste it, okay? To make those colors.
Watch this guy do its magic.
Okay, I know this technique. Finally, they will just make it circle, or make it circular thing, and that colors will create more designs.
Nice color choices.
Yeah, just circle
Now
it.
lift the
Yes.
middle as you turn the canvas.
Make a little bit of rotation. Nice.
Looks cool, right?
This designs
Not
look
done
good,
yet.
and this doesn't waste colors also.
That's
Okay,
so
wasting
lucky.
colors I say, and they
Spin
did
the
that.
canvas really fast. Things get really interesting.
Now it's not looking good. Look at the waste of color.
Look at those 4 strokes of color.
Not 4 strokes of
Do
color.
that with your hands.
I know I cannot draw this type of abstract art from my hands, but
Techinques should come around
don't
more
waste
often.
colors. Someone can use that to create some
Art is all
masterpieces.
about going with the flow. And nothing can kill your vibe. Not
Okay.
even a friend with a sandwich.
Sandwich, French fries.
Like this.
I wanna eat that.
Alright, time to get back to work.
Yeah, he knows that she is doing so bad. What he is going to do?
This plate isn't even dirty.
Don't use that plate to create art.
Pop out a hole and turn your plate into a palette. Use old plastic bottle caps like these to hold paint as you create. I bet Van Gogh could have used one of these. Tired of
What a
this mess?
man. Not male. What males can do to impress a lady is just watch it.
I'll show you how it works.
Not that type of thing. Not I'm going for that way, but just telling that what he is doing.
Now you won't make such a mess. And there's plenty of room for a
Just
friend to join
buy some of the artworks or colors from stationery. Don't do this type of shit.
you. 1, 2, 3. Let's see some poop emoji pancakes, people. Well, Hannah sure seems confident about this one.
But they're cooking again challenge.
Looks like the girls put their batter into these squeeze bottles for easy release. And
Is that a
Hannah's
color
really taking her time
or
with
a
this
chocolate?
One. Alice,
I
on the other
think
hand,
that's a
doesn't
color.
seem to have a hold on things. Is that a snowman? I'm really anxious to see how this turns out. No
But
offense,
they're
Alice,
making
but Hannah
Alice,
seems to have this
Hannah.
one in the bag.
Okay,
But at least Alice isn't afraid
they're
to experiment with
making-
some color.
she's making snowman, and what she's
Should add some
making?
brown in there too. Those
What's
metals
that?
are hot. I hope they
Shit,
don't start to
man.
burn before they're done
I don't
drying.
know.
Whoa, Alice is adding even more color to hers. Oh no, don't cover the
Okay.
little guy's face. Okay, is it almost time to flip?
Just flip them, and you will see
And you're
what
going
they have
down,
made.
Alice. I've so got this. Uh-oh. Things aren't looking good here. That's one ugly pancake.
Ah, yes,
Better
that's
flip yours
ugly.
now, Hannah.
Just
Here
flip
we go.
it.
Wow, that looks amazing.
Kind of
Alice, I
good.
think Hannah's is the better one this time.
That's okay.
Yep, Hannah is definitely the winner of this round.
Hannah won.
Next up
And then he
is
was that Batman. Yeah, I like Batman. Do you like Batman? Just
This
comment
is
down
going to
below.
be the hardest one yet. But no worries, we got this. Think you'll be
Okay,
able to
they are
draw the
making
Batman
Batman
symbol by
with
hand
that
without
thing only.
tracing it? Well, looks like
Are
Alice
those
sure has a handle
colors, or
on
you
it.
can eat them? I don't
Please
know.
Stop cheating over there, Hannah.
If someone knows, just
It's
in comment
looking
box.
a little wonky to say the least.
Okay, shapes are a little bit weird.
Almost too perfect.
That's
But
okay.
we still have to add in the circle and background color.
That
Looks like
is
we're just
not
a few
looking
steps away
like a
from being
Batman.
finished. Just a couple more
Hannah,
little strokes
you
will
don't.
turn the pancake superhero. Here goes nothing. You better
That
hope
looks
yours
like a
isn't burnt,
superhero.
Alice.
Hulk or what?
Yikes, don't break it. Does that look
Wait a minute. No, no way perfect.
Alice wins. Like you guys didn't see that coming.
What was that? Funny outtakes? What's that? Okay, bloopers, I think. Yeah, they know what they are doing. For kids only. These are videos of for kids. Go back. Yeah, they having fun making this video.